Here we go, we're moving. And use the cadence.
Roll on out of the station on the
people!
On the right, I'll keep pink up their essentials. Be sure to stop by and browse through all of their unique merchandise. On the left is a pair of wild turkeys, and past that, a lonely pigeon.
Oh yeah, it's so sick!
Desert highlands, we find a Navajo sheep and a lot of Angora goats. Desert people raise statues for their full milk and meat. To learn more about these and other natives of this land, Desert Canyon. Past the doctor's tree on the right, we find a family of ringneck pheasants. Look for the colorful ones. That's playground where you can ride a spider or tame an alligator. Behind that is the burrow, where you can learn all about light-sensitive animals, such as... If you don't know about it, stop in and find out. Past the trees on the right is a pair of American bald eagles. After that, the Canada leaf. She's hiding up in the back behind the rock. The bald cat is in his den right front box. It's not. Also perched on their log.
There's no house, keep that in mind.
As we pass poison springs on the right, don't drink the water. That's the bar by mining paths like this one play the studying the west. Over the river and through the woods we come to our bison. We shaker on the left and Junior on the right. Bison can wait 2,000
Wait, where you go? Oh, I can't.
The Native Americans relied heavily on the bison and followed them around in nomadic camps. Women such as their teepees like these on the left. Straight up ahead is Moss and Tunnel. The original tunnel is 6 miles long and 50 miles west of Denver.
Hi, people! Wait! I can't see anything! Oh my God! Wait! I can't even ask the other person I don't know.
On the left is 440. That's where we keep the train at night.
Training night thing! I'm so excited! I think this also was!
On the left is our graveyard. Good hill. The best and the worst of the west were made to rest. The valley on the left is our mining camp. And if you look across the way, you might see the bison. Thanks for riding the rails with us today. For your safety, we ask that you please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. At that time, look to the left and have a great day here at the zoo.
We paid the dollar!